This brand is made in China for sale on Amazon and offers 4 sizes of units, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The 8000 and 9700 BTU models are for cooling only, while the 10,000 and 11,500 BTU models provide heating as well as cooling. The cool-only models only have 2 fan speeds, while the heat-cool models have 3, but they all have manually operated louvers which are not as good at circulating the air throughout the room. They only have a standard washable filter which does not do much to clean the air. These air conditioners use environmentally friendlier 32 refrigerant but only use an exhaust hose, which means conditioned air is constantly being removed from the room and having to be replaced by outside air, which is less efficient. The units have electronic controls with a remote but do not have Wi-Fi or voice command control, and the remote control does not sense the room temperature. The units use condensate evaporation technology, which minimizes the need for manual dumping of the condensate bucket. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.